Hello, my name is Brett. I'm going to be talking about brain cancer, specifically glioblastoma. Some information on the genetic origin of glioblastoma. Oncogenes are genes that in certain circumstances can transform a cell into a tumor cell. A defective oncogene would not be able to control the rate at which a cell could divide, meaning that they could divide continuously even in the absence of any signals telling them to divide, which is bad news if it's a cancer cell. Proto-oncogenes contribute to unrelated cell division if they are present in a mutant form. Abnormalities of chromosome 22 in human brain tumors determined by combined cytogenetic and molecular genetic approaches is the main location for the development of brain cancer. Gliomas contribute to about 1/3 of all brain tumors which affect the central nervous system. Glioblastoma cells have more genetic abnormalities than the cells of other types of astrocytoma brain cancer, and these genetic mutations can be caused by inherited DNA defects. The inheritance of this disease. There's not too much evidence of brain cancer being inherited. However, there is a small chance that it could be linked to some hereditary factors, which could increase the chance that someone could get cancer in your family if they're in your genetic family tree. Only about 5% of brain tumors can actually be linked to hereditary genetic factors or conditions. However, having inherited DNA defects can lead to a higher chance of getting glioblastoma cancer cells. Effects on protein. BAG3 protein. This is very common in glioblastoma multiforme, which is the most aggressive and most common tumor of the brain, accounting for approximately 25% of all brain tumors, 50 to 60% of all astrocytic tumors, and 80% of all malignant gliomas. This is a member of the BAG family of HSC-HSP70 co-chaperones in promoting tumor cell growth. A molecular mechanism requiring the formation of a complex of BAG3, HSP70, and BAX that prevents BAX translocation to mitochondria, which in turn protects tumor cells from apoptosis. This prevents the protein from being able to communicate with the powerhouse of the cell, which then leads to more cancer cells being able to spread due to apoptosis not being initiated on those cancer cells. Symptoms of glioblastoma. There are many symptoms, such as headaches, nausea, vomiting, seizures, memory loss, confusion, vision problems, and urinary incontinence. Treatment options. As with every cancer treatment, there are many options available. However, not all of them will cure the disease. It's just a treatment option. One of the main ones for this is to have a brain surgery operation scheduled with the brain surgeon to remove the glioblastoma tumor. The goal of this, however, would be just to remove as much of the tumor as possible, but since it is embedded into the normal brain tissue, there is no complete way to remove the tumor, so you may need follow-up treatments after this surgery if this is one of your options. Radiation therapy uses high-energy beams such as X-rays or protons to kill cancer cells. This may work or may not work. It's not 100% guaranteed that it'll completely kill the cancer cells, but it's one of the treatment options available for this. Chemotherapy. This will use drugs to kill cancer cells. However, this can be very detrimental to your overall health as your body is getting pumped with chemicals. Palliative care. This is a form of care that focuses on providing relief from pain and other symptoms of a serious illness. As with all cancer treatments, the cost of this is going to be very, very high. The cost per glioblastoma patient ranges anywhere from $17,000 to $195,000, with a median price of just about $54,000. Resource information. There are many support groups available to patients that have glioblastoma that may want to discuss how this makes them feel or how they are accommodating to their bodily changes with other patients that may be experiencing the same symptoms. There are many places to apply for financial assistance, which can assist families with the cost of the many cancer treatments. There is also counseling with oncology social workers that can help you cope with the challenges that glioblastoma may bring to you personally. Home changes. There may need to be a wheelchair ramp installed, but not in every case. This could be due to the fact that many cancer treatments are extremely harsh on the body, and that the patient may not have any energy to be able to walk or move after receiving treatments. And due to gliomas and glioblastoma affecting the central nervous system, this could cause severe nerve damage or loss of nerves, and it could lead to difficulties walking for the patient.